Hi everyone, setting up an AWS Transit Gateway for multi-VPC communication involves several steps below. Step-by-step guide to help you configure a transit gateway allowing multiple VPCs to communicate with each other efficiently. Now I will show you setting up transit gateway for multi-VPC communication. Prerequisites, an active AWS account, existing VPC that you want to connect using the transit gateway. I am permissions to create transit gateways, VPC attachments, and modify route tables. First step, we should create a transit gateway. Log into your AWS Management Console, navigate to VPC dashboard. You can type here VPC and in search bar and go. With the left-hand menu, click on Transit Gateway. Here, Transit Gateways. Create Transit Gateway button. Configure Transit Gateway setting. Name. Provide a name for your Transit Gateway here. What you want to write. Description optionally. Add a description. Amazon side ACN optional. Enter an ACN for the transit gateway. Also optional. Default route table association. Choose where that to enable automatic associations. Default route table propagation. Choose whether to enable automatic propagation. And create transit gateway. I will not create, that's why I created before here. Now you should attach VPCs to the transit gateway. After creating the transit gateway, click on the transit gateway ID to view details. Here, details, as you see. Go to transit gateway attachments. Here, click, and as you see here, create transit gateway attachment. Name tag, select your created transit gateway, which you created before. Attachment type is VPC, and select VPC. I created before, that's why I will not select. You can select any, and will show here all subnets. Send, create, click create transit gateway attachments. I will cancel, that's why I created before. Next step, update route tables. Navigate to VPC dashboard and select route tables in left menu here. Select the route table associated with the VPC that you attach it to the transit gateway. Here, to VPC. Click routes, edit routes, click add route. And there's a title block of the other VPCs that you want to communicate with. I will enter destination 10.0.2.0/24. Target selects the transit gateway from the drop-down menu. From here you can transit gateway and transit gateway ID. Save changes. Okay. Repeat this for each VPC route table. Go to route tables. I did it for VPC A, and then we'll do it for VPC B now, routes, edit routes, add route. Destination is 10.0.1.0/24. Target, choose Transit Gateway ID here. Yes, and save changes. Now we should enable Transit Gateway propagandation. Still in the VPC dashboard, navigate to the Transit Gateway section. Here, click on the Transit Gateway ID. Under the Road Propagandation tab, click Create Road Propagandation. We should navigate to Transit Gateway road tables and select under the propagandation, create propagandation, select the road table ID of the VPC road table you updated previously, table ID, create propagandation. Sorry, that's the problem. Before already exists in Transit Gateway route table, that's why not proper. Okay, here. Now we should test connectivity, launch EC2 instance in each VPC that you have connected to the Transit Gateway. Ensure that the instance have security groups and network ACLs configured to allow traffic between the VPCs from one instance ping or SSH into the instance in another VPC using its private IP address to verify connectivity. Go to EC2 instance, launch instance, name EC2 VPC A, Amazon Linux AMI, type to micro, key pair. I will proceed without key pair, or you can create new pair or choose your existing. Network settings, I will select for VPC-A, the same subnet. Disable auto-assign public IP. I will add security groups here for ICMP traffic. Source anywhere. This is enough, I think. And launch instance. And now I will launch second instance to the VPC-B. Launch instance. EC2 VPC-B. Same Amazon Linux AMI. Type to micro. Select. Without key, I will select edit, select VPC-B, auto-assign is disabled, security group, I will add all ICMP protocol, and anywhere by default launch instance. With all instance, our instance is in initializing status. We will wait around 5 minutes for running status. I stop it here. Without public IP address, you can't connect to the with SSH to your EC2 instance. That's why we will select different way. Choose the instance, connect using EC2 instance connection endpoint. We should select here. We have no endpoint. We will create an endpoint for EC2 instance connection, VPC, VPCA, and subnet VPCA. Select subnet, VPCA subnet, create endpoint. It will be in pending status around 8-10 minutes. I will stop this video here and will continue when we're ready. Our endpoint is available now. We will refresh and select and click connect. Okay. Private IP here, 10.0 up to level ping. Yes, all is done. Our transit gateways work. All is done. Next step, you can monitor transit gateway. Use a CloudWatch metric to monitor the performance and utilization of your transit gateway. Check logs for any unusual traffic patterns or connectivity issues. Additional considerations: security. Ensure that your security groups and network ACLs allow necessary traffic between VPCs. Cost. Be aware of AWS costs associated with data transfer through the transit gateway. Scaling. If you need to add more VPCs, you can repeat the attachment and route table update steps. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should successfully set up a transit gateway for multi-VPC communication in AWS. This allows for scalable and efficient network management across your VPCs. Have a nice day.